Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export high quality 4K videos in Capcut. I'm going to just open this Capcut application and just tap on it new project and selected this of project, and I want to just export in high quality resolution. So I want to just tap on it at the top. You will see the AI Ultra HD. I want to just tap on it simply as well. So here you will see the resolutions. So I want currently I will on 720p, and I want to just increase it into 4K. So if you want to just a smoother playback, so you will just have to increase also the frame rate, switch 30 to 50. So if you want to just turn it on this optical flow for the make video playback smoother, so just turn it on, and now you will have to just export it. So simply as well, in this way you will just have to export high quality 4K videos in CapCut. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.